Hello, you're watching Beth Lugar with On the Move. When selling your home, one of the ways that I promote and market your home is through open houses. Today I'm at one of my open houses. We have open houses on traditionally Sundays, but sometimes Saturdays. So to prepare for the open house, I will set out the signs and I'll market online. And that gives consumers or potential buyers the opportunity to drive by your house and call their realtor to schedule a showing before the open house, or they can come back at the open house on their own time and tour your house. If you're looking to buy, sell, or build, please reach out to us at the Lugar Real Estate Team. You've been watching On the Move with Beth Lugar.